Welcome back. This is Nick Graham. This time I will be discussing factoring by grouping. The idea of factoring by grouping is you have four terms. That you can factor by grouping. We'll see if I can explain better by using some of the examples that you have in your book. Like for this one, 18LB plus 6LA plus 24OV plus 8OE. What you can see here is that in the two terms here, you have a common factor. Common factor is 6 and L. There is 6L here. This is 6 times 3. And you have 6L here already. So you have 6L and put that out outside the parentheses. Then we have 3V plus 6E. Now, plus E, I should say. And this one you have 8 U O, and we have 8 O, and we have 3V plus E. Last time when I discussed factoring general trinomial, then I already introduced that this grouping, a sort of grouping. This one is your common factor once again. Then we have, it's a binomial. What is left on the first term is 6L plus 8O. As you can see, even here you can factor 6 and 8, which gives you 3V plus E multiplied by, you have 2, you have 3L plus 4O. So if I will write them in order now, is 2 times 3V plus E multiplied by 3L plus 40. Question is, can I factor this in other way aside from taking these first two? That is what we did. Let's see if we can do that. We have 18LV plus 6LE plus 24OV plus 8OE. The important thing here that you're going to do is look for common factors, not only for the numerical coefficients, but also for the variable. Like what we did here, we factored, we grouped the first two terms. But if we can group this, there is V there and there is V there. Let's try if we can group that one, these two terms, and we have 6LE plus 8OE. And then we have between 18V and 24V, we have 6V. And we have 3L plus 4O, not 40, 4O. That's 4O. I should write better. 4O. Plus, you see that we have either, we have E, then we have 2 times 2E, and we have 3L plus 4, 4, 0. As you can see, we have now a common factor. The common factor is 3L plus 4, 0 multiplied by what is left in the first term. We have 6V plus 2E. And this one, we have a common factor also. So we have 3L plus 4O. Then we have 2 as a common factor. We have 3V plus E. So if we write it in other order, it will look like this: 2 times 3L plus 4O multiplied by 3V plus E in a parenthesis. If you compare what we got, then we have the same answer. So it doesn't matter how you group your 4 terms, but it is important that you are going to look for common factors first. It's not like that you're going to group the way you like it, but you have to study your terms. You need to see common factors between them before you can group them. Let's try some example. We have 4WT plus 2W whole plus 6IT plus 3I whole. As you can see, I have W there, I have W there. And I will do that. We have 4WT plus 2W whole H plus 6IT plus 3IH. Common factor between these two terms is 2W. And then we have 2T plus H. Common factor between these two terms is 3I. Then I have 2T plus H. Common factor between two terms now, we have 2T plus H multiplied by 2W plus 3I. Then you're finished. I will group them in another way. 4WT plus 2WH plus 6IT plus 3IH. If I will group these terms with T, so I have 4WT plus 6IT. And the terms with H, so I have 2WH plus 3IH. Common factor between these two terms is 2T. Yeah, I have 2T there, so 2W plus 3I. And common factor between these two terms is only H. And I have 2W plus 3I. As you can see, the terms in the parentheses are the same. So 2W plus 3I is the common factor. And what is left on this term is 2T plus H in the other term. Then you get the same answer. Let's see if we can make some more. This one is number 7 in your book, page 45. Let's see. 42WA. 42WA plus 54. plus 54 WT plus 56 HA plus 72 HT. Okay, I will do the traditional. I will group this and then I will group that. They have the same W, they have the same H, the same W, the same H. Okay, we have now 42 and 54. What is? That's 7. So we have 7 or 6, sorry, 6 W. I have 7A plus 9 T. And the other one, we have 56 and 72. What would that be? We have 6 still, yeah? You can take 6. H. Let's see. I think this is wrong. It should be 8. Then we have 7A plus 9T. Then we have common factors between the two terms that we have grouped. So we have 7A plus 9T multiplied by 6W plus 8H. But between 8 and 6 we have 2 also. So we have 2 times 7A plus 9T. We remove 2 from 6, so we have only 3W. And 2 from 8 is only 4H. Let's see if we can do that also in another way, another grouping. So 42 WA plus 54 WT plus 56 HA plus 72 the HT. If we can group 42 WA, the terms with A plus 56 HA plus 54 WT plus 72 HT. Let's see. 42 and 56. That's 7 A. So we have 6W plus 8H plus we have 54 and 72. We can take 9. We have the same T there. We have T, 9T, and we have 6W plus 8H. So we have now 6W plus 8H as a common factor multiplied by 7A plus 9T. And then we have also 2 here. So we have 2 times 3W plus 4H multiplied by 7A plus 9T. That's the same as we got there. So I hope you learned something. That's the end of chapter 1, unit 1 in your book. Next time I will be doing unit 2. We hope to see you then also. Have a nice day.